All right, what's going on, everybody? It's time for the NBA Prizm Explosion 5-box number 4, Monday night the 13th. We're going to head on over to random.org and do our draw for teams. Good luck, everybody. Roll the dice, determine times random. If it's an 8, guys, defaults to 3. Good luck. Got 11. Teams first 11 times. Once. Twice. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10, and 11. Thunder down to the Clips. All right, and 11 times on your names. Once. Twice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Allen down to Allen. All right, guys, there it is. Go ahead and talk some trade.